COT and which way it should go. What I kind of think, some of them I put were gold currently has mixed sentiment with markets having higher inflation expectation levels above technically still show indecision. We're gonna monitor Audi and iron ore, but I do need to change that because if we look technically on the monthly, I noticed that it's in a downtrend. So moves up may be short lived. And then the last one I got is the sentiment review. So this is I'm gonna try to cut a lot of the word for y'all, like the shit that I see is market moving. What we just talked about as in all bubbles, risk taken from investors increases as they see no danger ahead, risk a bubble or pop. Anything else big? So this is an indicator from the Bank of America. Basically, they say they flipped into. I don't know if you read, kind of jotted through this, but they really have. It's about to give an indication for them to sell. I just say, bro, the more you look at this, the more you'll get some of that terminology down. Various stocks. Yeah. Anyway, man, that's the whole presentation. So like ECAT. We starting to have, even on an hour, we finna get a breakout somewhere. We can either retest this or we can go ahead and push above and break this zone. It's 148.37 is my entry. So hopefully the squeeze starts to push us up. Technically, starting to have a pennant. Little pennant there, we can draw it out and it's more of a wedge. Go somewhere up here. Falling wedge. So we may see push up. Or I'm gonna cheat a little bit. Start sending y'all markups like this. It ain't on me. You pick which way you want to be like the rest of these cats. It's gonna go one or the other way. If it break out, just sell it. Till that motherfucker go like this. Woo. And for recording purposes, pardon my French, my vernacular. Just enjoying these charts. So next one, I like the EU trade. Did exactly. We kind of covered this the other day on the live. Retrace, and typically I look for a 50% move. I don't really use Fibos, but you can see we're about 50, maybe a 38.2. Couldn't move out of web, so looks promising, especially we get another down candle. We can break this median range, which is a 20-day. I'm giving that all the sauce. 20-day moving average. It will look for it to continue down. 118 first stop, 116. Pretty decent targets. Really where I'm eyeing. Longer term, back to 111. Back to around 111. And formation will finish these pivots and possibly give us an M. Come back down here to this base. We'll probably range out from there. Go up. Gold starting to pull back up on us. I don't like that. Currently in, let me see, still in profit. Let's do something different. We can do wave counts. So I guess it'll originate. Let's see where it originated from. So choppy. So I guess that would be wave one. Guess we consider that. This 2, 3. We can even go here. 1, 2. I'll say 3. No higher high. Fell for a higher high. 1, 2, 3. Triple top on an hour chart. So we'll go range bound. Currently indecision. Technically go here, but so we just play the range. I think I got the target for the bottom of this range somewhere around here. Let's see if we can correct. So a little cheat code on that. I like to look at the volume. Bull showed up, nice volume, couldn't break the range. Hammer candle or pin bar. We're starting to correct, but we do got resistance below. We break, it's gonna start the correction. But leading indicator that they failed to break that high. Nice resistance, so we'll see how it works. Worst case, we'll be out above the wick. I'll cover one more, man. I don't want to hold y'all all day, or we'll cover 1 or 2 more. GCAD looks good, looks promising. So we'll say 3. Was it 3 dives or beat the market maker 3 levels? 1, it's 2, 3 levels of drop, potential reversal. So three levels of drop. Could come down to make some type of structure for a W, then a break higher. Same thing here. Did reject the move higher. What I did notice, or what I am noticing, it was kind of close to market where volume was dying down. Continue to push. So it's kind of a toss up with this volume. Well, not necessarily the volume, but the price action, the candle structure. It being a pin bar, but it was so close to the end of the session. Could continue and get some momentum into London. We're starting to build more volume and possibly continue that push. So we zoom out instead of looking at it, the three dives. We can start looking to see if this will be the lowest low. And possibly come back to this resistance. And then we may start to structure again for pull back, give us a lower high to a higher high. And then we'll have a V shape or a, what is it called? Inverted head and shoulders. So this is prime. My prime choice. What I hope actually happen. Let's take a quick deeper dive. Pull up some volume studies. So low volume here, low volume nodes. Most of the volume was transacted here. So I feel we can get up easily and kind of get a correction of some of this impulse, creating that low. 1, 2, 3. So 3 dives, beat the market maker. If I had EMAs on, we can see under the Mayo. I don't got them colored, but looks like potential end of that cycle. Push up, get over this red line will be decent. It should same way as it plays resistance, it should start playing support. And what is this? GBP CAD. I guess one more for kicks. Let's go USD. Let's go SEC. Looking exotic. Some nice structure. Got a nice impulse, but then we got a nice push up coming right back to the range. Again, it's EMAs acting as support. You can also see the structure there or the level there. Nice order flow. Came back to retest that order block. Should give us a push up. See the trend and development. X usually marks the spot. Nothing is a exact area, be more of a zone. See the order flow. Rejection. So I'll take that probability of a continued push up. Got a nice doji forming. So we'll see how London treats us. Interesting fact, SEC is a proxy to the euro. We continue weakness in the euro. This is only going to propel the dollar in the SEC, and it moves probably 5 times faster than regular Forex pairs. It's a double entendre. Weakness in the euro, also strength in the dollar, also weakness in the SEC. There's not a lot of congestion, or a lot of people don't trade these, so you don't worry so much. They move pretty solid. You see nice downtrend, nice uptrends. So you catch it at the right time. These are nice pairs to start learning to trade or look at. Yeah, I'm in this out, man. I see my boy, Mr. Giddens, still in the building with me, man. You got any questions or anything before I jump off?
Nah, everything normal, man. Let's trying to catch up, you know. I come here a little late, but everything normal, man.
Oh, that's good to hear, man. I did get your password and everything's sent into the site, and you should get an email from us so you can activate the account.
All right, cool.
All right,
check it out. Yeah.
All right, big dog. We'll probably be on tomorrow, same time.
Yeah, no problem. Well, I'll be on early.
All right, now. Peace.
Yeah, man.